Quick, graph y equals the quantity of 1/2 x squared by hand 2 different ways. It is highly recommended that you watch the video How to Graph y equals f times the quantity k times x before watching this video. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way is with what we call the parabola dance. Normally we start at the origin and the coefficient of x, which is 1/2, inside the parentheses does not affect this point. As you can see, when x equals 0, y is also equal to 0. And we're going to plot points relative to the origin. Since k equals 1/2, the curve is wider than the parent function y equals x squared. And also recall that the coefficient is inversely proportional to the horizontal dilation factor. That is, we're going to multiply each x value by the reciprocal of k, which is 2. What I mean by that is normally the parabola dance is right 1, up 1, but for this one it's going to be right 2, up 1, because 2 times 1 is 2, so we multiply the x by 2, but we keep the y the same, so right 2, up 1. Next would be right 2 up 4, but for ours it's going to be right 4 up 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Right 3 up 9 would be next, but for us will be right 6 up 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Go ahead and press pause and finish this on the other side and resume when you're ready. Left 1 up 1. Here it'll be left 2 up 1. Left 2 up 4 becomes left 4 up 4. And left 3 up 9 becomes left 6 up 9. Connect the points. And notice that we're multiplying each x value by 2. So if you look at this blue point and the green point, they have the same y coordinate, but the blue x coordinate times 2 is the green x coordinate. For those 2 points, for these 2 points, and these 2 points, in fact all points there, there's a horizontal dilation factor of 2, and this is an example of a horizontal stretch. Finally, since the quantity of 1/2 x squared is 1/4 x squared, those two, the green and the orange graphs, are identical. Second way, using a table. This is our normal parabola table, but k is equal to 1/2 inside the parentheses, so the horizontal dilation factor is its reciprocal, which is 2. We keep the y coordinates the same, and we multiply each x coordinate by the reciprocal of k, which again is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, so we plot 6, 9. 2 times 2 is 4, so plot 4, 4. 1 times 2 is 2, 2, 1. And then the origin. Pause the video, finish the table, resume when you're ready. So this becomes -2, 1, -4, 4, and -6, 9. Connect the points. Graph of y equals the quantity of 1/2 x squared. And when we compare it to the parent function, you can see again the green is a horizontal stretch of the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals the quantity of 1/3 x squared. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check your answer. And this is your answer. And you can see this is again an example of a horizontal stretch.